Today I will be showing you how to contact Preply support. First, go to the Preply homepage. You don't need to be logged in to access the support page. Once you're on the homepage, scroll all the way down to the very bottom of the page. At the bottom, look for the support section. Under this section, click on the support link provided. You will then be redirected to a different page, which is Preply's Help or Support Center. On this page, you'll see several options depending on the type of help you need. You can choose whether your concern is for students, tutors, or Preply business. Click on the option that best matches your situation to see helpful articles, guides, or contact options. From there, you can follow the instructions provided to get the support you need. And that is how to contact Preply support. Thank you for watching.